they may know somebody that could assist you because you've trusted them and you have a relationship with them versus a hit and run with, I just need someone to do this.
Speaking of which, I have a relationship with you.
Personal injury attorney. I was trying to think of something else.
Speaking of which, I have a relationship with you, and I trust you to tell us what the goal and the actionable item is. Welcome to BizGlitch 185. It's July 3rd. We know it's the holiday weekend, so we're just going to really bore you to tears right now and get that whole barbecue thing blanked out of your brain. People have made mistakes, which is how the Glitch Project was born. And here we are, leap year 366 mistakes we've made or we've seen other people make. Linda Ray, let's really just launch into the holiday weekend. What is it we're doing today?
Oh, this is really good and piggybacks off of yesterday's glitch where we were talking about fiduciary responsibility. And if that happens to go awry, then do you have an attorney on retainer to assist you? Way back in glitch number 17, we discussed having access to an attorney, getting to know an attorney, networking to find an attorney.
Putting an attorney on retainer.
Well, that's what this glitch is about. So from glitch number 17 to glitch number 185, have you done the research to consider if the budget allows for you to have an attorney on retainer? There are tons of things, not just failing at fiduciary responsibility.
And if the budget doesn't allow for it, find the money, because there is an unbelievable, immense value in putting an attorney on retainer so that in an emergency situation when you need quick legal advice, you don't have to go through all the wrangling of finding the attorney. What's your fee? Do you do free consults? You want to get somebody on your team who has been paid. That's what attorneys do. They get the retainer up front, and that allows them to just use that retainer to immediately respond.
Right. Well, it's not just having an attorney when you're in trouble. There are things like formation
could be legal
documents.
questions.
Right. There could be contracts and agreements that you want to have airtight, and they also have a network of other attorneys so that if you need an intellectual property attorney versus a business attorney versus a real estate attorney versus, someone who specializes in something that isn't all those things I just mentioned. Well, the actionable item is what I just mentioned, which is to make sure that your attorney actually has a network of other attorneys in case they don't do what you need from a legal standpoint for that specific situation. The goal is to review 4 previous glitches that we've already discussed that could require legal assistance so that you can get refreshed on how to have this set and that it's just a mere reference in case you forget who am I contacting and how can they help me with this particular legal situation. That's it. 185. Well, I was doing that, but now you're doing it. What is going on?
Just doing B-roll.